In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get your own WhatsApp link so that anyone can message you directly with just one tap. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually close WhatsApp and open up any web browser on your phone, something like Safari, Chrome, or really anything else is going to work. Up at the very top in the address bar, go ahead and type in wa.me and then put a slash just like so. And here you're going to want to go ahead and add a plus sign followed by your country code. So I'm in the United States, so that would be 1, and then your phone number in here as well. So for the example of this video, let's just say I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. If I hit enter, it would take me to this person's WhatsApp page just like so. But essentially, all you'd want to do is just copy that exact address. So wa.me slash plus your country code and then your number. So let's say one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Boom, highlight that, copy it, and that's what you're going to want to send to people. Overall, it really is as simple as that. This can be perfect for sharing on social media, business cards, or websites so that people can message you instantly. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.